Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the tropical world of papayas. You might know them for their sweet taste and vibrant color, but did you know they're packed with health benefits too? I bet you'll be surprised by some of these. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get into it. Alright, let's start with the basics. Papayas are like nature's multivitamin. Did you know that one serving of papaya gives you over 200% of your daily vitamin C needs? That's insane. Plus, they're rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, and a bunch of B vitamins. And it doesn't stop there. Papayas are also loaded with minerals like potassium, magnesium, and folate. So, when you're munching on papaya, you're basically fueling your body with a ton of essential nutrients. Ever feel bloated or sluggish after a big meal? Papayas can totally help with that. They contain an enzyme called papain, which aids in digestion. It helps break down proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Plus, the fiber in papayas keeps things moving smoothly through your digestive tract. So, if you're dealing with digestive issues, adding papaya to your diet could be a game changer. Say goodbye to that uncomfortable bloated feeling. Alright, who doesn't want a strong immune system, especially these days? The high vitamin C content in papayas boosts your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Plus, those antioxidants I mentioned earlier, they protect your cells from damage and keep your immune system in top shape. So, if you're looking to stay healthy, papayas should definitely be on your shopping list. It's like giving your body a little extra armor. Now, let's talk beauty. Want glowing, youthful skin? Papayas can help with that too. The vitamin C and E in papayas are great for your skin. They help reduce inflammation, prevent acne, and even out your skin tone. Plus, papain helps exfoliate dead skin cells, giving you that fresh, radiant look. So, next time you're thinking about a face mask, maybe reach for a papaya instead. It's like nature's way of giving you a spa day. Heart health is super important, and papayas can give yours a boost. The antioxidants in papayas help reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to heart disease. They also contain fiber, potassium, and vitamins that support heart health. Eating papayas can help lower bad cholesterol levels and keep your heart ticking smoothly. So, if you're looking out for your heart, grab a papaya. It's like giving your heart a little TLC. Here's another cool thing about papayas: they have anti-inflammatory properties. This means they can help reduce inflammation in your body, which is great for conditions like arthritis or general aches and pains. The enzymes in papayas, like papain and papain, can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. So, if you're dealing with inflammation, adding papayas to your diet could be really beneficial. Okay, so how do you actually enjoy this tropical fruit? You can eat it fresh, of course. Just slice it open, scoop out the seeds, and dig in. You can also add it to smoothies, salads, or even make a refreshing papaya salsa. The options are endless. And here's a pro tip. Squeeze a little lime juice on top to enhance the flavor. Trust me, it's delicious. Plus, it adds a nice zing to your papaya experience. Before we wrap up, here are a few fun facts and tips about papayas. Did you know that the seeds are edible too? They have a peppery flavor and can be used in salad dressings or as a spice. Also, unripe green papayas can be used in savory dishes like Thai papaya salad. So, don't throw away those seeds or underripe papayas, they're super useful. And remember, when choosing a papaya, look for one that's slightly soft to the touch but not mushy. That means it's ripe and ready to eat. Alright, folks, that's a wrap on papayas. They're not just a tasty tropical treat, they're packed with health benefits too. From boosting your immune system to keeping your skin glowing, this fruit does it all. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a papaya. Your body will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.